Hello everyone, my name is Chanakshi Mendekar and today I will give a demo on functionality of payment integration system. So let's start. So what is the Stripe payment integration system? Let's suppose this is a user. Let's suppose this is a user and this is going to shop something on online website like a mobile, and for shopping he have to done some payment. So the backend process of this payment, how it going to done, we will see this. Let's see. This is the client. Let's see. Okay. In client, there is a front end part of page and also backend. One client and this is a payment integration system, and we are using Stripe for representation. Stripe payment integration system. Okay. And this is a payment service provider. So, what is payment service provider? Payment service provider is nothing but payment service provider is nothing but debit card, credit card, net banking, SDFC Bank or other bank, UPI IDs, also on. So these are the types of payment service provider that user go to the client and client can't directly connect to the payment service provider. So that is why to help the client, here is our payment integration system. So in our payment integration system, there is a backends that we code to connect client to payment service provider. This is our writing. In this backend, there is a controller, controller, and also library model. Model. Model means what? Database, data, entity. Okay. So how it goes on? User go to shop to the client and here is a client front end and here is a client backend system. So user go to the client and client front end calls client backend because client front end can't directly contact to our backend system. So client also have their backend system. Okay. So client backend call our side payment integration system and controller is a entry point and exit point. Means it also get entry and exit code. Okay. Then our backend calls to our database model entity and then our backend system call to the payment service provider. Okay. So we request to payment service provider, then they provide us, then they provide us some kind of some kind of URL. They provide us URL. URL. This URL, nothing but this URL, nothing but Stripe hosted page. Stripe hosted page. So this URL, nothing but a Stripe hosted page. Our backend system directly connect to payment service provider. Our backend system helps client to redirect to Stripe hosted page. And then where user can make where user can make his payment and successfully buy the product, successfully fulfill their wishes. Okay. Then this Stripe hosted page notify payment service provider and his PSP notify us also that the payment is successfully done. So this URL also called as notification and also called as webhook, and this webhook we provided plan that the payment is successfully done and user wishes is fulfilled. Okay, so this is how your Stripe payment integration system works. User goes to client goes to Stripe payment integration system, that is our system, and then our system calls payment service provider PSP, then PSP give the URL that is nothing but Stripe hosted page. In this Stripe hosted page, it will redirect to the client. Then user make here their payment successfully done, and then payment service provider is providing us a web that is tell us that the payment is successfully done, and we notify to the client. Okay. So we can also see here the Stripe docs. Here also diagrammatically shows us how it works. This is a client, this is a server, that is our system, and this is Stripe application, that is PSP, payment service provider. Okay. So client send order information to the server and create a checkout section. Then a server sends to Stripe application PSP, and PSP sends return checkout section. Checkout section means hosted page, Stripe hosted page. Okay. Then our server will direct customer to URL from checkout section. Okay. Then our server will direct customer to URL. That is Stripe hosted page. Our server will direct customer to Stripe hosted page. Okay. Then customer completes their payment, and then customer return to your application and handle fulfillment. Okay. Then it's successfully done their payment. Then what he wish to buy, we will handle their fulfillment. Okay. This is how the checkout works. Checkout is nothing but a Stripe. Okay. So here, when customers are ready to complete their purchase, your application create a new checkout section. Okay. Whenever customer want to buy something, then our system their checkout section. Checkout section is posted page. Okay. The checkout section provides a URL that redirect customer to a Stripe hosted payment page. Customers enter their payment details on the payment page and complete the transaction. Okay. The customer done their payment and complete the transaction. After the transaction, a webhook fulfills the order using the checkout section completed. Okay. So this is how it works. Then let's see the checkout section. The checkout section is programmatic representation of what your customers see on the checkout page. After creating checkout section, they direct your customer to the sections URL to complete the purchase. When customer complete their purchase, you can fulfill their orders by configuring an event destination to process. Checkout section events. This code snippet from the Quick Start Guide is an example of how to create a checkout section in your application. Okay, there is an example. So we can try test this example on the Postman. Okay, so go to the Postman. Here is my personal workspace. Give it a folder, collection, and add a request. Add a new request. Your request name is checkout section. Yeah. So what he provided us here is a URL for the checkout section. Let's copy it, paste it. Okay. Then you have to done what here is a this is your sandbox API key. Okay. So you want our key also. Then you can get your key from creating a Stripe account. Here is my Stripe account I created. Go to Stripe account, then and see your API key. Okay. Here is your publish key and secret. You copy the secret key, click on it, and copy it. Go back to Postman, go to authorization, or type select to basic auth, okay, and paste it. Yes, secret key, paste on it. Okay. Then go to the body and select this URL type as a post. Okay. Then go to the body, select URL, select URL encoded. Okay. Now go to the clear checkout section, logs, okay. Then here is a QR code that we done. Then here is a key and value. Copy it, paste it. Okay. You have to go more. Here is the data you have to fill on Postman. More payment. Here is more payment, line item price, line items, quantity, food. Okay. Here is information. Postman, line item, currency, food, bill. line item quantity. Okay, line item quantity. Give the value. Three. Here is this information we have provided, and then there is success URL. Give success URL. Success URL. Paste it. Okay, now send the request. All information we have provided successfully. Then send the request and see what it will work properly. Deliver the state page URL or not. Oh, there is some error. See the method, you must specify the product or product data when creating a price. Okay, let's go back to the docs, add docs and see. We actually provided the all data to Postman, but there is an error. Then what happened? Let's see what's wrong. Here is a line items, arrow of object required conditional. Here is a required conditional. So see, a list of items the customer is purchasing. Use this parameter to pass one-time or recurring prices. The parameter is required for payment and subscription mode. For payment mode, there is a maximum of 100 lines items. However, it is recommended to consolidate line items of there are more than a few dozen. So we have to create also object. Let's see, types is object. Okay. Here are types of object, IDs, active, currency, field, metadata, name. So we have to use, sorry, hold on. Okay. Okay. We have to create a object of that. Then create a object, line no object, line item, price, product, data, name. Product name, Samsung Galaxy S24 SE 5G. Then line item, quantity we have provided. Then we have to provide line items, line items, then price, price, data, product data, and name. So we have to provide price. So product data and we have to provide unit amount. Unit amount. Okay. So amount is price. Price will be 600. Let's now see. We provide all the information, key and value. We will provide the object of it, price data, product data, as well. Object. Let's see now. Let's send. It will work or not. According, we will see. Intent unknown. Parameter unknown. Let's go and see what happened. Okay, let's see. What is the error here? Parameter unknown. This is unknown parameter line item 0, price data, product data, unit amount. Okay, so here we provide the price data and we have to provide here only amount. So we does not need here product data. So remove it. So now let's run. Okay, it's successfully done. Let's see here. See here. Customer creation, customer detail, customer review. So URL node is hosted. So here the URL of our hosted page. Then follow this link. This is a start checkout page. That is hosted page. Okay. Here is a detail of our product Samsung Galaxy S24 AP. Amount euro 18, 6 million each. Quantity 3. Let's fill this XYZ with standard antigen gmail.com. We have to just check this test it so you can fill any email and start card process. Okay. So we also have here test card. Go to the Chrome, go to the test card. Okay. Here is a simulate payment to test your integration. Okay. We want card. Okay. Click on the card brand. Here is the cards. You can copy anyone. I will copy MasterCard. Copy it. Paste it. Okay. Here is which date you have to put it here. Let's see. MasterCard. Any 3 digits for CVC and any future date. Okay. Let's. Date will be fair. CVC. CVC. One. X value. And let's pay. So we successfully done payment here. Okay. We successfully tested. So this is how our payment integration system works. We just simply test on the Postman. Here is a link, your link, loaded authorization here, cast the key, then body, URL encoded, fill the key and value that we have given in documentation and just send it and test it. So it's successfully done. This is how our Stripe payment integration works. So here is a user, here is a client, here is our Stripe payment integration system, and this is PSP. Client calls to our Stripe payment integration system. We call payment service system, payment service provider, and payment service provider gave us the URL that is nothing but Stripe hosted page. Here we redirect client to the Stripe hosted page, and then payment service provider gave us a notification or webhook that is nothing but a notification of payment successful or failed. Okay. So this is how functionality of Stripe payment integration system works. Okay, I hope I understand very well this, and I hope you understand also. So that's for today for my demo number one, and I will stop here. Thank you.